Hey man, it's a beautiful day, man. I know it's a lot of talk about, you know, stay in the house, stay home, but I be outside every day, and I ain't gonna let this stop my adventure. You know what I'm saying? My life. The virus, all that shit is small compared to, the number of people on Earth, and if you just be in your own bubble, you can get out, go to the park, go for a walk. People be stuck in the crib. It's like they said obey, and y'all motherfuckers just got in formation, just got in order. As soon as somebody said obey, man. So, it's your boy Yon World, man, telling y'all to go outside. It's cool, man, the sun out. You know what I'm saying? The birds chirping. It's just me and the birds out here. I'm talking about everybody in the crib. But it's your boy, man. It's a lot going on around me right now. But just me out here in nature, man. But go outside, man. Stop. Don't be in the house. Be in the house cooped up, man. I get out every single day. Then these birds done built a nest in this shit. Oh. It's birds shitting. There's so many birds around me right now. But they shitting, bro. Like, they on the wire shitting, dog. It almost landed on my head. But no, they done built a nest in this fuse box. I want to do birds, like get like a charge from the electrons and shit, from the electricity. But no, go outside, man. I don't know what y'all waiting on. I don't know what y'all doing. But I'm out here, man. I don't know about y'all. Yeah. We about to go make this little, this little sale. But yeah, it's your boy. I'm out.